Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 2-bedroom semi-detached property. This is Abberton from Keepmoat Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. If you're looking for some kind of decent 2-bedroom property which is much affordable and cheaper, or something to invest for your future, then definitely you can give it a try. It's only 166,995. This is located at Turnscore near Barnsley. It's a quiet area, but you get everything around. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the lounge, kitchen with dining and a washroom. On the first floor you have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a small hall in front of you which leads you towards your first floor and also the living. So moving towards the living room, which is coming towards the front. Well, the living looks quite okay. You can plan 2 sofas and a TV set, and you also get a wide window towards the front. So plenty of natural light falls in the living space. So this was the living space. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining, which are coming just behind it. Well, it's a decent kitchen for a 2-bedroom property. It's quite wide and spacious. Towards one side you have the worktop, which is spread out on 2 different sides, and towards the other side you can plan your dining table like this, and you still get decent room space to walk around. So in this model you don't have the French door access towards the garden behind, it's just the regular door. So you can plan your fridge freezer towards this side. You're getting your gas hob. In this house, if you want to go for the electric one, you can. You have a nice wide window towards the kitchen side, so plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. And there's also some additional storage space provided in here through the kitchen, and they gave the door in the lock. So let's check out the washroom, which is coming in the ground floor here between the kitchen and the living space. Well, it's a regular washroom. In the ground floor you have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. You don't have any windows in the washroom here. So this was the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor and checking out the rooms there. So on the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom, and both the bedrooms are the double bedrooms. So this is the first double bedroom. You can plan a double bed or a king size bed like this, and you get really good room space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a very wide window, so plenty of natural light falls in this bedroom. Well, it's a nice bedroom and the space is given in length, and towards the front you can plan the entire wall with the wardrobes like this. So this was the first bedroom. Now just beside the first bedroom you're getting your common family bath. Again, the space in the bathroom looks quite okay. They gave the bathtub, water closet, sink, and you're also getting a nice window. So the ventilation is really good. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. Again, as I told you, this is a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this, and you get really good space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a wide window, so plenty of natural light falls in this bedroom. Even in this bedroom you get some additional room space towards the front, and you can plan your wardrobes here towards the front. Apart from that, you also get some additional storage space for which they have provided a door and lock, so you can plan some kind of storage in here. The mains are given in this space. So we covered all the rooms in this property. This is one of the cheapest or much affordable 2-bedroom house. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.